Who's funny? Your cousin?
If you sit in the chair, you have to buy it.
Naming bagong electric kito. Yung washing machine, guys. Kung nagpapakarga po kasi napagod daw siya, guys. Sana all makain niyo, eh? I'm flying. Hi. Good morning, guys. 8:19 in the morning, and I'm preparing myself because today is Monday here in the Philippines. It is April 24. Bill and I decided to go to the gym early. Okay, first time I'm mag-early sa gym because last time when we were at the gym, it was so loud. People there are playing loud music, and as I told you guys last vlog, I said to you that I'm not really a fan of too loud music, you know? Like, pagtingin akong dalunggan masasabot kayo. I mean, I love music, but I'm not really into very loud music. So, parehas kami ni Belle. Hindi namin gusto yung loud music. Hindi namin maintindihan yung mga tao doon sa gym. Bakit gustong-gusto nila. But anyway, we are all different naman. There are some people loves loud music, so it's their business naman. But again, kailangan natin mag-adjust, besh. Kasi hindi naman natin pwede sabihin, oy, stop nyo yung music. Ano yun? Like sila mag-adjust sa amin. Ano naman, VIP kami. But there was one time talaga I said, can you like i-minimize ba yung music? Kasi sobrang ingay talaga, guys. Kasi sobrang loud yan. I like to communicate with Belle. That time when we were in the gym, we couldn't be able to hear each other because of the music. It's freaking loud. But anyway, Belle is doing something. I think he is doing his book. Yeah, he's doing his book. E-book. So nasa baba siya. He has his coffee. I made his coffee this morning before I came here. And prepared lang ako kasi ako yung pinakamatagal. For me, when I prepare myself, it took me some time to finish. Si Belle naman, he will just put his shoes on and he's done. Okay. I'm just waiting for my hair to turn all black, guys. As you can see, meron pa talaga siyang blonde. I still have blonde. Actually, I'm thinking about going to hair salon to work on my hair kasi sobrang frizzy na. Who's funny? Your cousin? Your cousins are funny? Bill's TV.
It's a joke, babe.
I know it's a joke. That's why I'm laughing. Tell me about yourself. I have a standard when it comes to hiring people. So, you know.
You couldn't afford me.
Your hand must not be shaky if I hired you as my videographer because I needed a quality video. Bill's TV. Hello, my friend. Bill's TV, ah. Init eh. Grabe, sobra. We have to ride a tricycle, babe. It's freaking hot. Yeah, see that face? You're like, Jen. See, I'm already sweating. I'm not even walking yet. Because it's humid. Humid pala, sorry. It's not hot, but humid.
I can understand why you can sweat from just walking, but somehow or another you're not sweating when
Oh,
you're
why?
laying down.
Yeah, I don't know. Why? Why is that?
It
I sweat
it
pala
may
in
have
my-
something to do with the amount of intensity you're working.
No, I sweat, but it's in my face. Not in my back, not in my
But when I
arm.
leave the gym, I have to change my shirt because it's soaked with sweat. Why is that?
I don't know how to explain that. I'm not
We
scientist.
used to joke in karate class that if you had not soaked your gi plus all the way through your belt, you hadn't really worked out.
Hala. So it's a waste of time me getting there in the gym and doing things.
It's not a waste, but to make progress, you have to push yourself.
I did. That's why I'm trying to put some more weight on what I used to.
And it's okay to go light in the beginning while you're learning the exercises and getting used to it. But at a certain point, you have to up the intensity.
I did. Kaya nga I did na ha, di ba? I add 10 kilos. Charot. Bugira.
10 kilos.
This is how hot it is today. Grabe, yun ang kainit. I'm gonna ride, babe. Sorry, I called a tricycle here. Tara.
I'm sure he'll still be sitting there later.
Who? Ah, the wood? Of course, nobody's getting it. This is how the gym looks like. Hindi ko to napakita last time. I didn't show this last time, guys. Anyway, maingay. They have music on. My God. Hindi ako mag-vlog masyado, guys, kasi maingay.
I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.
Heading home, looking for a tricycle. May tricycle ano. So, lalabas kami, guys, kasi bibili kami. We're gonna buy a new washing machine. Kasi last time, it's been like months na. Sobrang tagal na, guys, na. Oh my God. Wala kaming washing machine kasi nga nasira. Sa last year pa ata, December. So, 4 months. Matumigma saan may kado. Have no socks, babe. It was dirty. I'll get you another new socks, maybe. Yeah. So we're gonna buy the washing machine. Kasi pa, panginis niya. I like my glasses. Ipapars mga dag ko.
Since you picked them,
Yeah, because I have
surprising that you like them.
I have a big face, so I should get something like a frame
You
like
have a big face.
Yeah. Feel like my face is big. The guys, you think you will get 96 grade from your card? This third grading? We have a deal, actually. No, not a deal. I said to them, if we get 96 on their card, they will get a reward from me and Daddy. So, you think you have 96 on your card? Yes, Lee? You're not sure? She's not sure. Babe, you said earlier that you want to get your haircut today? Or next time? We're going to your haircut first?
We can.
Ayan na lang. Sitting pretty? No, you're a man, so... How should I say that one? Sitting... I don't know. Gina! Let's go.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go to the last. Mother! Mother!
Sakay. Hi, Ashley. Nagpapagupit muna before we go to the store.
Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked. It's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup. It's part of me.
We are going to get our washing machine after 4 months. Sige na. Allowed ba ito mag-vlog? I'm not sure. I'm gonna use my phone na lang. We are in Gloria. So, we're going to get our washing machine. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah. How much? Can you open it? Can you open?
So expensive that if you need to ask the price, you can't afford it.
It's expensive. How much? There's no price. This is nice. Kay kuan, it's not the height. She's tired already.
Ashley, are you tired already?
55. Checking electric kettle kasi our electric kettle is already destroyed. Here. Oh, di ba you're looking for a blender? Hala, this is so cute. Small one. Tcharam! What? Uy, makasala ka na. You have to pay. Yasli. Here, electric kettle. Is this electric kettle? Yeah. No? 790 only.
Yeah.
699 only. Oh, diba? Nice. Lid light. Fast boiling. Kanina lang siguro. Kay glass. Oh, inunahan ito nga mo 1.8 liter. 1.7. Nga nung mahal man rin. Kari 1.3. Kanina lang, babe. We'll get this.
Sure?
I'm not sure. Ay, gamay raman rin no. Wala ka ba to 1 liter? Oh, saan na? 1.8 liter.
I think your mother's calling. Are you tired? Do you need me to carry you? Huh? You know, if you sit in the chair, you have to buy it. Do you have 647 pesos?
Hi, walking. We're done in Gloria Bazaar, so we're heading to Prince Hypermarket kasi may bibilhin ako. Binili namin yung guys, washing machine. Same washing machine na meron kami. Ay, ituma man nato ni. This is your favorite place. You know what's your favorite place? Your favorite place? Ano yan? What's your favorite place? Jollibee! Dito mag-Jollibee today. Ashley's favorite Jollibee. Yasli, you want in? She was like, yes, I want to eat. Someone is thirsty. Dili, kuha nag-water dire, oh. Haman to. Haman, tubig, Judy ma, tubig. You wanna go home? What are you getting? What is tamarind? Tamarind sweet. Your favorite? We are here in Prince Hypermarket. Little groceries for today. Kaya nahutdan mi og kuan guys, some stuffs. What? Uy, I want water na. Where's your water?
Sure.
It's in the bottom.
Of that. You're getting it for me? Wow, how sweet. Yeah. Your French fries.
Can I be your star tonight?
You get 2 liter? Because last time it's just 1.3. 2. We are home! We are home! Someone wants to go to the Jollibee.
Daruin mo daw siya. Dito mo ito Jollibee.
Babe, we're going to Jollibee na lang? I don't know. We can go. Yeah, we can go. Daddy looks good, di ba? Oh, see? He looks good daw. Babe.
Top of the box.
What? Babe, paper. Because you said you ran out of paper.
I ran out of picture.
Yeah.
Ang gamit na ng paper niya, pero wala na lang.
Okay.
Ay, nagamit ko yung papel, nangyayad na lang siya.
Yeah.
Dinaya.
Well, anyway, so we are home. And then, my God. It's freaking hot.
You're gonna wait for the ice cream now?
Oh, yeah, we have to put this away. Anyway, guys, so, eto nga, binili namin yung washing machine. We bought the washing machine, same washing machine that we had from last year or the other year, Babe. When did I get that one? Last year?
Let's put it this way, it very conveniently stopped
2020.
around the time the warranty expired.
Part of it is my fault because we are actually just putting it outside. It's raining and it's sunny. Where's the ice cream? So mag-put away tayo ng mga binibili ng ice cream. So bumili kami kanina ng mga stuffs. Kasi we're running out of, not run out of some actually. But then, bumili kami ng ice cream and some frozen meat and food goods. French fries, not your favorite. Not your favorite. See? Remember this, huh? You still have one. You have to eat the first one that you have. Okay? Ice cream! Diba ice cream? Kasi favorite ice cream. Meron kaming chicken thighs. Meron kaming butter because butter is light. Lagi kami nagluluto with butter. Hi! Thank you, my love. You look so good in your haircut. Yeah, that's my favorite haircut.
Oh, I thought you were talking about snacks.
Ito kung Julie. Request yung mga kids, guys. No, not request. He thought that I'm going to bring them to Jollibee today. But it's fine. We'll go to Jollibee na lang. Huh? Yeah, we'll bring you to Jollibee today. Because it's been a while that we didn't go out.
I will order a lot. I will order coleslaw, fries, burgers, and everything.
As if you can finish. And then if you can't finish, you have to pay me back.
No. No money.
No money? What do you call this one? This is peanut turon in the Philippines. Peanut inside. And it's covered. How do you call that? It's wrapped by, I don't know.
It looks like turon, but it's not.
It looks like
Because
turon.
turon is like a banana.
Yeah. It's like turon, but it's peanut instead of banana inside. It's very sweet, not really good for people who had a diabetes.
Not really good for anyone, but
Or not good for anyone.
all things in
I thought
moderation.
it's good for me. Pumili kami ng bago. And hopefully this one will last. Mura lang to. It's very cheap. You will always complain again. Genevieve always says cheap na naman. Yeah, but this one is very cheap. I think we got this one for only 800 pesos, 7.99. So sobrang mura. 2 liter. Pinili namin bagong electric kettle. Glass siya, guys. Glass siya. Hopefully talaga. Naku! Kasi nga nasira na yung electric kettle na meron kami, guys. For me, coffee is life. And Belle, yeah, coffee is life too. So, both of us love coffee in the morning. So, we need tubig, minute. Ooh, yeah, very nice. So, hopefully this will last longer. Ito naman yung washing machine, guys. And then, sinabi ko, diba? I already said it earlier. The washing machine, actually we saw this washing machine, small one, around 7, I think it's 7. Yun yung kanyang brand. And it's square, shape niya square, parang square. And then, that was very cheap kasi 3K something lang. And then when he tried to switch it on, I was like, nah, I think this is not the washing machine that we're looking for. Mahina yung kanyang ano ba, spinner, something. Mahina siya, so para sa akin, I was like, nah, I think not. And we have no choice kasi mostly yung meron sila doon yung mga automatic. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng automatic, guys, kasi hindi naman ako not gonna leave here permanently. So, temporary itong mga gamit dito, guys, until papers approved and everything. So, kailangan lang namin ng something na magagamit while we are still here. So, we get the same washing machine that we have. So, yung old washing machine, yung sira na washing machine, I think I'm gonna keep it instead of throwing it away. Usually in the Philippines, diba? Like, if we have cloth, white cloth, we used to like soak it in a detergent before we wash it. So, yun na lang yung gagamitin ko. Kaysa naman itapon ko yun, guys. Diba? Still useful for me. So, huwag mo na lang itapon. Inisip ko pa naman, itapon ko yun na huwag na lang. Lesson learned from December. The reason why that washing machine is broken or not working anymore, because last December, we put that washing machine outside kasi, and then it's raining hard during that month. So, usually, the washing machine always get wet. Kasi nasa ground lang siya. We didn't put any wood. Or how do you call that one? A wood, something that we can...
A base, a platform,
base, yeah.
Something to keep it up off the
ground. Yeah, wala. So, I think that's the reason. Lagi siyang nababasa whenever it's raining so hard. At the same time also, laging mainit kasi on that person, sobrang init, guys. Even my sister told me, like, maybe we should buy something that atrapal ba, that can cover a little bit on our kitchen area. Kasi pag, like, around 2 p.m., mainit sa area na yan. They give us free, Ariel. They give us one free, babe. I think so.
It's okay. It's not going anywhere.
He said to me, we should not use this as a base because the motor will keep acting.
See? Going to the gym? That's really helped.
What?
Like lifting that big, heavy machine all by yourself. See?
What?
These last few weeks in the gym have been really good for you.
This has a big effect on me. The reason why we buy this, kasi naawa na kami kay Julie, guys. I was looking at Julie this morning. She was washing clothes. And she was sitting outside. Yeah, you said, Belle actually suggested me to buy it already a month ago. But I was the one who's stubborn. And I was like, maybe not.
Because she doesn't want to spend money.
I don't want to spend like... But I was like, I'm so selfish, no? Oh, we should buy it last month. Yeah. It still makes our life easier when it comes to washing clothes.
Everybody watching in other countries, this washing machine doesn't have a spin cycle, does it? Or does it?
I don't know what spin cycle means to you. I don't know what that. This is what I know about
After
washing
you wash the clothes, do you have to take them out and then wring them out by hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if you want, you can just use this and put water in it and drench it here. If you want. But, you know, electricity, my God. Wala. No, we do still hand wash it when it comes to rinsing the clothes. Why? I'll be shocked when I get there in the US and I'm like, oh my God. This is how it works?
You put the clothes, you open the machine, you put in the soap, you put in the clothes, you close the lid, you select the cycle, and you push a button.
So you're telling me like I just put everything there and I'll just, I can do a lot of things and then just come back and
you push a button
everything is done.
Depending on what cycle you're on, 20, 30 minutes later,
okay,
it's done washing. Put them in the dryer, and you close the dryer, and you pick the cycle that you want, and again, depending on what you're washing and how heavy it is, 40 minutes, maybe 40, 45 minutes most, your clothes are dry.
So in between the 40 minutes, I can do a lot of things. I'll just have to come back.
Other things.
I'll see you there.
Yeah.
Washing machine, US. I'm not living in a fancy life, you know. I used to do hand wash. So having this, for me, it's luxury already.
I'm not the one who's washing your clothes.
Yeah, I know. Pag ikaw to, no, this is not enough for you. But this is very enough. It's luxury for me already. Who's ready to go to Jollibee? Nicole is ready? Oh, no, straight. Sa man? We're going na nga. Early daw yung daddy. Tara na. So we can come back early. They have fruits. Babe, they have nice banana if you want. They have banana there. Here, oh, tanawa. Ayan, oh. Good banana. They have better banana here. Here, oh. Asang na maligya. Huy, don't touch. You want? She was like, I'm the princess. Pong nagpapakarga po kasi napagod daw siya, guys. Sana all mangkay niyo ay. Sana all kinarga. Na all gara. Naibata mi gara, guys. Naibata mi gara. Wala. Magpakarga daw siya, oh. Oh? Yeah, dako naman eh. You will be 9 soon. I'm flying. You feel better? Okay. Hold this because I need to get the key. Oh, she feel better that you carried her. Careful. Guys, I made a dessert. So, nung nagpunta ako sa amin, hinapapa, nanghingi ako ng buko. Dala ko to kahapon and then ginawa ko siya ngayon. Ito. Yan, nakita ko sa Facebook, may nag-share. Wala akong makitang peaches kasi na in can. So supposedly lagyan ko ng mangga pero feeling ko parang hindi siya masarap paglagyan ng mangga. So ito na lang. Ito lang yung ginawa ko. Kern. Meron siyang mais and then nata de coco at saka butong. And then nilagyan ko ng Nestle cream at saka anong tawag nito? Condense. Yan lang. Lagay ko to sa fridge para makain namin to bukas. Hopefully hindi siya mag-ano, no? Like, kasi may buko eh. But, I don't know. Bigyan ko si Jonah nito. Masarap to, guys. Oh, nakakain na ako. And si Julie, mayroon siyang paluto, guys. Ayan si Julie, guys. Magluluto daw siya ng ihaw, mang-inasal, mag-restaurant na daw si Julie.